So when your horn sounds like this, basically a kazoo. We've got to do something about it. It's been too long. Went online, found one, was able to listen to one. Hopefully it sounds good in person rather than just audio over a phone. But today I'm going to be replacing my truck horn as well as the backup beeper, essentially, for the truck. I honestly didn't even know I had one on this truck. Upon doing other wiring stuff, fixing some other things at the back of the truck, I found a backup beeper, essentially, connected straight to the reverse lights. Very simple to add on to. It already had it, but it just has never worked since I had this truck. So I'm going to be installing a brand new one, hopefully that works, hopefully that sounds, you know, decent, I guess. It's at least loud enough. And I'm going to go do... I'm going to actually drop off this dumpster I've got on the truck right now. I need to go dump it next door at the transfer station. I'm going to do all the work at my house just simply because there's a lot of gravel on the ground and stuff. So I really don't want to have to do that here. So I'm going to do it at home. But I wanted you to first of all hear the basically the kazoo that I have as a horn. That's just, I mean, I don't know what they did, who did it, if they even thought this was a great idea, but this truck, it sounds just, it's just terrible. So let's fix that. All right, so we are getting basically a train horn hooked up to the front of the truck here. This is what, there's still like stuff like shaking out of this, but this is what was making the kazoo sound, essentially. And here is what we have installed now. We got to clean up the wiring a little bit, but we're using the existing wiring here. This is like a regular behind this down here. This was my original or like just a regular car horn, it looks like. They then extended this over to the old version, I guess, of what this was. And so I just used the existing negative positive to this here, got that bolted in, got this bolted in, and then this is the air line for it to blow the air to send out the noise here. So I'm not going to, you know, play this right now or press this and make it sound for you while I'm at my house here, but it is loud enough. I just barely tapped it, and it was plenty loud. So I'm gonna get this kind of cleaned up, tucked away, make sure this is secure here. But basically two horns. I don't know if you can see yeah, there we go. The second one behind that one, but get this tucked away here. All right, so we got the old reverse beeper out of here. Got this disconnected, got the new one on there. Just need to run some new connectors because they were kind of beat up a little bit, and get this on there, and then we will be good to go for the reverse beeper. All right, and we got the new one installed here, ready to go. So we are back at the yard here. I've got two noises to share with you. For one, I now have a backup, actual backup, you know, reverse beeper. So that's cool. Literally, that was off of Amazon for like, I think like 20 bucks. It's literally a positive and a negative lead connected straight to your reverse lights, and it's a done deal. Super simple, super easy. If you know where it's at, it exists, and I just thought it was a much more complicated system. It's not. No big deal. Fantastic. Next is the actual the horn, the truck horn. So here is the horn. So we've got two different, I guess, pitches for the truck horn now. It's not a little car horn, and it's not a kazoo or anything else. So hopefully this will actually get people's attention. I wouldn't mind a deeper, you know, train sound or horn or, you know, whatever, but this is better than what I had before by far. Again, this was, I think, 50 bucks or less. I didn't even have to use the entire harness that it came with, that you could do basically independently from a system that's already connected to the truck. You could attach it to a switch or really anything that you wanted, a button. I simply just plugged in the existing old horn wires to this one for the power supply, and we're off to the races. So good deal for that finally. And I just want to share that with you guys on my journey of getting this used truck. It's an 06. It's not brand new. It is not ideal in certain aspects of it, but it's working for me. I'm making it happen, and just trying to level up. Small little changes in the business add up to, you know, big growth steps. And so just a small piece of the pie. Hopefully you're having a great day. Stay safe, guys. Subscribe, hit the like button if you like, and we'll catch you later. God bless.